Hey lighting fanatics, today we are going to be turning on some light bulbs in celebration of 500 subscribers on this YouTube channel. I just hit 500 subscribers a few hours ago as of recording this clip. Well, before we get into it, I just wanted to take a second and thank everybody who has supported this channel by subscribing and liking my videos and just watching them. I really appreciate it. Well, anyway, before we turn on all of these lights that you see on the screen, I'll go ahead and quickly show all of them real quick. We'll start over here. This is my ProLight 13 watt preheat PL adapter, which has a Fulham blacklight blue 13 watt PLC lamp inside of it at the moment. Moving on over here, we have this really cheap fluorescent strip light fixture, which has an F8T5 daylight fluorescent lamp in it, and it has an electronic ballast in it. Here we have a vintage Sylvania 25 watt T8 incandescent bulb, frosted. Here we have a GE LED flicker flame bulb, B11. Here we have an IKEA 11 watt CFL. It's kind of an interesting design, and it is programmed preheat start, which is really cool. And then here we have a vintage Sylvania 40 watt clear appliance incandescent bulb. Here we have an 18 watt Philips SL18 CFL. This is electronic, but it is programmed preheat start. Here we have a GE Ecolux Wattmizer 34 watt fluorescent lamp in cool white. This is an energy saving lamp, and it has a pretty interesting startup on the rapid start ballast that's inside this fixture. Here we have a GE Bright from the Start CFL. You can see it's got a little halogen thing in there that turns on while the CFL is warming up, so that you don't have to wait for your brightness. So that's pretty cool. This is also a reveal version. Here we have a Lampi preheat strip light with a GE F15T8 SPX50 lamp. Here we have a Halco pink 50 watt R20 incandescent bulb. Then finally, here we have, I think it's a Vertibray 100 watt blue Power 38 incandescent bulb. And we'll go ahead and take that sticker off, I suppose. I'll get it another time. But those are all the light bulbs that we're going to be turning on today. And we'll also show the absolute mess of power strips that I have for all this stuff. Yep, totally a mess, but it'll do. Alright, well, those are the lights that we are going to be turning on. And there are 12 lights in total for about 330 watts of power draw, give or take, and around 700 watts of incandescent equivalents. Well, anyway, we'll go ahead and turn off the lights, and then we'll turn on these lights. Alright, I do have one light on over here, just so I can see barely, but it shouldn't impact the visibility of these other lights. Very cool. Let's do that again. Neat. So I'll go ahead and give some views of all of these bulbs. up close. Oh, wow, that was a good shot of the halogen capsule turning off in there. You can kind of see where this shines. Very cool. We'll go ahead and lower the exposure here. Oh gosh. Well, there's no striations in person, but I guess you can see them on camera with that 34-watt lamp. Very cool. Well, that was the 500 subscriber light bulb turn on. Well, go ahead and turn the regular lights back on and we'll close out the video. Well, there you have it, the 500 subscriber lighting special. Well, if you enjoyed what you saw, be sure to leave a like down below, feel free to leave a comment, and if you want to see more cool lighting videos in the future, be sure to subscribe. See you next time.